Good evening, everyone. Today we have another student of e-Techno Mind. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Her name is Swara Kukreti. And how old are you?
I am 6 years old.
And she's ready with her single digit addition subtraction demo. So can we start, Swara?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Set to 0. Make 3. Add 2. Add 5. Add 6. Add 9. Minus 4. Add 9. Add 3. Add 7. Add 4. Minus 2. Add 8. Add 9. Add 5. Add 6. What is your answer, Swara?
70.
70 is the right answer. 70 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2 plus 8.
105.
105 is the right answer. 105 minus 3. What is your answer?
102.
Add 8. Add 4. What is your answer?
114.
Very good, Swara. 114 is the right answer. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.